This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Uba AL Hag, MLA ke BJP na Pynthohbria, but Menteri Sarkar MDA2, ulang bariban pengat mukaduma, yaki Pynthohbria ke Jala Meghalaya, bat igi Nongshong Shnong jongka. Ulang bagi pelit ke Jala Meghalaya, lele ke kam ke bakrau, ban kami ke beriu ke basubadong keti, hak jing penyap iu raja raku bansi. Ya ke sonam raku bansi ke kurem raja la kam deki pelit na Khazipur ke Jala Uttar Pradesh, balaingut kishenrang step kendai drek ucili or chapsan, shiteo hadin balap ya ke media pulok jongka, neriat arliang hacan ke
and their whole family, they are blaming the police of Meghalaya, they are blaming the government of Meghalaya, and particularly is a very shameful blaming the people of Meghalaya. They have done the excellent job. Within 7 days, they have already nabbed the culprit, and within 7 days, they have shown their capability. I really bravo the Meghalaya police, which they have done the best to nab the culprit, which has been there for the last 1 week.
Okay. Now
I told you also before, also I told you we should file the defamation case against these people who are maligning the image of the state of Meghalaya, are maligning the image of the people of Meghalaya. We have to file the defamation case against them.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Kan nutrition bakam bhag, kajing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F mentah kasni.
Lawan Rak Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.